Hi guys, this is me Rohan. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can create a smart alcohol detector. So let's get straight into this video. So the reason behind making of this project is as we know that the drink drive cases are increasing day by day, which is a very risk for drivers as well as surroundings. So I want to make such a project that could be helpful in this kind of situation. So I have decided to make it, and by the God grace and of course by your support, we have made this project. So it is a prototype in which we have used the MQ3 alcohol sensor, OLED display of 0.96 inches, ESP32 microcontroller, and of course a buzzer. Now let's talk about how this whole system works. So now let me explain how this whole system works. So first of all, we have used the ESP32 microcontroller for Wi-Fi functionality. Okay. So what happens when we power on the system, the OLED display shows an animation of a rectangle that grows into a welcome screen with alcohol detector text. Okay. Then after that, alcohol not detected yet is shown in OLED display, while the MQ3 sensor monitors the environment for alcohol. Once the alcohol is detected, this data is sent to ESP32, and then ESP32 sends the OLED a message to display alcohol detected and sending mail. During this time, the ESP32 sends an email to the receiver's address. Okay, and once the email is sent, the buzzer beeps and the OLED shows mail sent. And after alert sequence, the system resets to the standby mode, ready to detect the presence of alcohol again. Now it's time to see the connection of this whole project. So before knowing the connection of this project, it's time to introduce to our today's sponsor, JLCPCB. When it comes to the PCB manufacturing, JLCPCB is an undisputed leader in the industry with unmatched precision, exceptional quality, and cutting-edge technology. JLCPCB ensures that every PCB meets the most demanding requirements of professionals and hobbyists. Whether your project is for industrial application, aerospace, medical equipment, or consumer electronics, JLCPCB delivers excellence in every order. JLCPCB have a lot of material options as well. They have FR4 for simple PCBs, and not just that, they have flex PCB options, aluminum and copper core PCB options, and also they have high material quality like Roger Teflon for RF applications. You can order PCB minimum layer of 1 and maximum of 30 layers. They provide you a minimum pieces of 5, and maximum you can order pieces up to 30 PCBs. And not just that, you can get option for the thickness level as well as color choose. You can choose vibrant colors for your PCB in the option given by the JLCPCB. You can check them out in the JLCPCB's website. Link is given in the description. Now let's see the how the connection are made. So now let's see the connections. So okay, now I am on my laptop's screen. So now we're gonna see the programming section. So as you can see over here, we have included the libraries like wire.h, GFX library, and SSD1306, which is for our OLED display, and Wi-Fi.h and ESP mail client is for the for sending the mail, and of course for the ESP32 we need the Wi-Fi library for doing the Wi-Fi stuffs. So over here you have to make some changes. Okay, in the Wi-Fi SSID you have to enter your name of the Wi-Fi, like over here, like we have some name of our Wi-Fi. So over here you have to add that, and over here you have to add the password of the your Wi-Fi, of course. And over here in the author email you have to add the sender's email. Okay, and here you have to add the sender's email third-party app password. So for that you have, like in case of Gmail, you have to turn on the third-party app password. Okay, so why we need a third-party app password? So the reason behind that is using email password directly in the code is insecure and can comprise the your account, right? So a third-party password ensures secure access to your email without exposing your primary password, okay, and you can revoke it anytime you want. So you have to add it, and for steps for getting the third party app password, it is mentioned in the article. Link is given over there, and from that you can also be accessed for your programming of this code. And over here you have to add the receiver's email address, and yeah, that's done. And after that we are good to go, and simply select the board as ESP32 dev module and simply hit on upload. And now it's time to see the final setup of the part. So let's see the final setup. So here's our final project setup. We have ESP32 microcontroller, the MQ3 alcohol sensor, an OLED display, and a buzzer to confirm when an email alert is sent. Now I'm going to turn it on, and you can see this startup animation, and it is showing alcohol detector. Now it is showing alcohol not detected yet, which means the system is ready to start detecting. So now let's start test it by bringing some alcohol near the sensor. So here I have some alcohol in the glass. So now let's just bring it over here. Wait a minute. Yeah, it detected. So as you can see, it says alcohol detected, sending email. So as you can see over here, it says ESP32 MQ3 alert, MQ3 detected alcohol alert sent from ESP32. Let me just open it, and you can see we have got our email. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And of course, do check out the JLCPCB's website, and also the link for the creating the third party app password and for the code is already mentioned in the description. Go and check out that article, and you will find everything related to the project. Meet you soon with a new project. Till then, goodbye.